What did I find in June to share with you? Stay tuned to find out. You know I always find crazy stuff. Hi, I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight, and I have a haul for you from June. I saved a little stuff to show you when I was shopping. You know, I'm always looking for the best deals, and I have a new deals group on Facebook. I will link that for you below because you want to get these kinds of deals too. And I thought this might be a great way to help everyone find the most inexpensive stuff we can. The less we spend on beauty items, the more beauty items we can get. Am I right? I want to start with this. I have always wanted one of these. Well, I've always wanted the name brand one, but you know I'm too cheap. And I've been looking on Amazon, I looked on AliExpress, and I just really couldn't decide on which one would be comparable to the name brand one. So when they offered to send me this, I said, sure, I'd love to try it. I don't know if this is great or not. I plan to try it out real soon. But they did send me a discount code, so I am going to give you that discount code below. Because what if it's great and you miss out? I wouldn't want you to miss out. Let's have a look at this. I mean, it looks really, really good. I think that was like a little callus thing. I'm not sure why you would rub calluses off your face. If you have calluses on your face, you've got a bigger problem than this is going to help you with. Nice little gun. This is that, not latex. What's it called? Silicone. It's soft. It's on and off. It's a wireless device. And then we've got 3 different super soft heads. This must be for body. And these for face. Okay. I'm going to leave the link for that below. I looked at the prices, and full price is just a lot more than I would ever pay for that. But with the discount, I find that it's pretty reasonable. And I can't vouch for how great it is yet because I haven't tried it. But it looks pretty good. And it looks like a fairly decent dupe for the more expensive priced items, which I'm all about. Now, yeah, I don't usually do my nails. I don't have time to do my nails. I have 5 kids at home and we homeschool. And I've got a hurricane named Edmund who is 3. So doing my nails is not really in my wheelhouse right now. But everyone knows that you can do gel nails and they go quicker and last longer. That I can live with. But everyone also knows that UV rays cause skin cancer and wrinkling. So if you're going to use these, I'm just telling you, put some sunscreen on. Now I got this one. This is an LED and UV lamp, which after much research I discovered was actually the best thing to get. Got this on Amazon. I got this at super cheap. Maybe it's not super cheap, but discounted. And it just had really good reviews, and everyone was talking about how great it is. You could turn on the heat, you could turn it up, you could turn it down. It's not battery operated, you gotta plug it in, but isn't this fun? Don't you want one? I will probably try this out in the next year or 2. Because that's how long it's going to take me to get a chance with it. I searched through Amazon looking for special deals, and I ran across this one. This was about $3, and this was it. This is it. This is all I saw. It said eyeshadow. It didn't say what color it was. It didn't say whether it was matte or shiny or, you know, it just said this. It just said eyeshadow, but it was $3, and I thought, it'd be like Christmas morning. It'd be like getting a present for myself. So I got it. Check this out. You're not going to believe this. This is cute. I was okay so far. Isn't it gorgeous? I was so surprised that this is what I ended up with, and very, very happy. Ooh, that's not very, oh, there we go. I'm good at swatching. That's what I'm good at. But seriously, isn't it pretty? I love it. I cannot believe that this was my steal that day. You have heard of the more expensive name brand zombie pack. I can't recall the name, of course, but this is definitely a dupe for that. I think it's normally around $25, and then we got it on lightning deal for $19, and it has 8 packs in here. 8 packs of the zombie pack. Now, it's not a permanent thing, but it's basically like putting egg whites on your face, and it tightens everything up and it gets rid of wrinkles. So it'd be a really good thing to do before date night or a special occasion. You can't expect it to take away all your wrinkles because that's not what it's made for, but it will make you look good for a few hours. Anyways, I'm super, super excited to try this out. I do masking on Saturday nights on Instagram, so if you want to see what I think about this, you're going to have to follow me on Instagram to find out. And if you've tried this out, let me know below what you think. Right now, Collagen is hot, hot, hot. Everyone's selling it. Everyone's telling you to try it. One thing is, if it doesn't taste good to me, I won't keep at it. But these are flavored collagen droplets. And I thought, hey, you know what? It looks like it might taste good, so I might keep trying it. This was super, super cheap at the time I got it. I think it was under $10 for a month's supply. But then I started researching collagen and ingesting collagen. And actually the results are pretty mixed. Actually the results are kind of... And the doctors are saying this isn't really going to do much for you because your body doesn't utilize the collagen in this form. However, it is new. This is a fairly new phenomenon for everyone to want to start taking collagen internally. So, I mean, what's it gonna hurt for $10? What's it gonna hurt to try? I will report back to you if I have any results. It'll probably show up in my empties regardless. I mean, I'm hoping it works because wouldn't it be great if we could take something delicious and it helps our aging? Yeah. Another just freakish find on Amazon. This is called Cynthia styling powder for super lift, volume, and texture with a soft matte finish. And you may think, setting powder for your face? But it's actually for your hair. Yeah, it's a little bottle for hair. See, now you can tell. If you have ever watched a single mascara video of mine, you know that this is amazing. I will not put mascara on unless I'm testing it for you without this. This is just a few bucks on Amazon. Everybody should have this in their toolkit. It gives amazing lift, volume, staying power. It's a primer for your mascara. I mean, just like a primer for your face, you put it on first and makes your foundation last longer, it makes it look better. Exactly the same with mascara. The idea of doing fun designs on my nails, it really sounds like something I would enjoy doing as my kids get a little bit older and I have more time. This is something I posted in my deals group. This was just a couple dollars. I think it was $2, and it's all these little paint brushes. And then these little dotting tools, and I have no idea what this is, but I guess I'll figure it out as I go. Now, if you do art on your nails, I'd love to hear what else I need to buy to be able to do that, so be sure and tell me below. My 13-year-old daughter, first of all, let me just tell you, we're obsessed with sun care in this house. Everyone's sunscreen's up. I do not let people go outside without sunscreen. So my teenage daughter always is asking me if she can lay out if she wears sunscreen, but at the same time knows that's not going to give her a tan. So she wanted to do some self-tanner and asked me if I would buy some of these little things here. And I did. I agreed to buy these. And then in the very next month in one of my beauty boxes, I got one of these, but that's fine. And we got the Dave's Famous to try with this. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty pale. I've had a lot of babies. And I've gained and lost a lot of weight. So I'm a little jiggly in places I don't want to be jiggly. And I just thought that maybe I would feel more comfortable in my own skin if I got some Spanx. I got these off Zulily at a discount. I got these 2 shears in 2 different sizes because I am losing weight and I didn't know what size would fit me the longest. And then I got this higher power one in a size I thought I could fit right now. I'm pretty excited to try these out. I'll have to let you know how these go. I want to look 10 pounds lighter. Do you think this will work? Maybe I should lose 10 pounds. I'm hard on sunglasses. I don't mind spending $1 for them at the Dollar Tree, but sometimes I want something that looks a little bit nicer. I saw these come up on Amazon. These were $4. These are a dupe, and these are ridiculously cute. Aren't these adorable? Look at this. These are a dupe for, I believe they were Gucci. I mean, I don't really pay attention to name brand things. I'm not gonna try to pretend like I know what I'm talking about because I don't. But I got them because they were cute. Other people were saying they were a really good dupe. And they come with this case. Pretty great. Talked about these before. These are some of my favorite things. These are reusable straws, but they are okay to use with hot beverages. They actually come with 4. Actually, in the past, I've gotten 8 in them. I've gotten men's colors, and then I've gotten these pink and turquoise. Oddly, I just got the 4. I already took one out and used it because I never have coffee straws. I always drink with coffee straws. I've got a video for it. I can link it for you just above my head, and it will show you that drinking with a straw does not cause lip wrinkles, or I'd have a ton of them because I've been drinking with straws my entire life. These are really great for coffee. I guess my husband loses them. I don't know what happens to them. Tree Hut is one of my favorite lotion brands. It is my all-time favorite hand lotion, body lotion that I use. And I saw they had this little shaving oil and I thought, man, that's probably really amazing if it's anything as good as a lotion. It says it soothes skin and helps protect against cuts, and it's an organic brand. Let's smell it. It's not the best. It's not the best. It's very artificial smelling. I don't know if it was trying to smell good, but I like it. I like to use, yes, of course I could use my body wash, and I do usually, but I mean, it was a few dollars and it sounded fun. I mean, beauty is meant to be fun. It's not meant to be work. So if you find something that makes it a little bit more fun to shave your legs, why not? You know my love for Olay. It's one of my core products in my skincare regimen. This is for evening out skin tone and getting rid of age spots. Now, I've tried many things to get rid of the age spots, particularly the ones over here. I've got quite a few. And I'll link a playlist for you just above my head. So far, nothing has worked. Spoiler alert. But I am willing to keep trying things until something works. Something is going to get rid of age spots. There are women my age and much older with no age spots. What do they do? How do they get rid of them? These are special Q-tips. I am special. These are precision tips, and they're little pointy tips, and they're really great for straightening up eyeliner, for removing mascara blobs. You know, we get them. They're just really great for fingernail polish removal. I mean, I don't use them to clean out my ears. That kind of grosses me out. But they're really great in your makeup area to do makeup with of all kinds. And these are really reasonably priced on Amazon. You think I like Amazon? 2 shirts that are not from Amazon. These are from a lady that has a little group that I am in, and she sells these shirts. I thought these were so cute. First of all, I love the color. Pink. And this one says, "You had me at chips and salsa." I do like chips and salsa. And this is rose, which is my favorite pink. And this one says, "Coffee hustle, sleep repeat." I got a few other things that are going to be in other videos, so you're going to have to stay tuned to watch those. A little tiny makeup haul from an independent makeup maker of makeups. And I'm going to do a hair extensions. Gonna have to stay tuned to see those. Gonna have to subscribe, give me a like and a comment, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.